In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount coupon for your products using Stripe's product catalog feature. Whether you're running a special promotion or just want to give your customers an extra reason to choose your products, coupons can play a significant role in boosting sales and customer satisfaction. So let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to your Stripe account. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your details and gain access to your dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because the product catalog section is where you'll be directing your focus momentarily. Now let's move on to the next step. From your dashboard, navigate to the product catalog. In this section, you'll find a variety of options related to your product listings. Look for the coupons option and click on it. This will open up a new window dedicated to managing and creating discount coupons specifically tailored for your products. Once you're in the coupons section, you'll want to look for the Create Coupon button. It's usually prominently displayed to make the process seamless. Click on that button to begin creating your coupon. Now here's where you'll be inputting all the vital details of your coupon. Start by entering a name for your coupon. Make it something catchy or meaningful so you can easily identify it later. After naming your coupon, you need to decide on the type of discount you want to offer. Stripe allows you to choose between a percentage off or a fixed amount off. The choice really depends on what suits your promotional strategy better. A percentage discount might attract more customers for higher priced items, while a fixed amount could be appealing for smaller purchases. So think carefully about what you want to achieve and select accordingly. Once you've settled on the type of discount, enter the specific value. For a percentage discount, you'll specify what percentage the discount will be. If you opted for a fixed amount, enter that figure. Pay extra attention when inputting these details. You want to ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any customer misunderstandings. Lastly, you want to decide on the duration of your coupon. Is this a one-time offer, or do you plan to run it for a week, a month, or even longer? Knowing the time frame can help you manage your marketing campaigns more effectively and also give customers a sense of urgency if it's a limited time offer. And there you have it. After filling out all the necessary fields, double-check your entries for any errors, and once you're satisfied, finalize the creation of your coupon. Now you have a brand new discount coupon ready to attract more customers to your products. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy selling!